It took me 30 years to learn the correct way to cut fruit. 1. Cut off the top of the cantaloupe. Cut it vertically twice. Cut off the sides, then cut it evenly. Neat and delicate. Convenient and hygienic to eat. 2. Eat mango without getting your hands dirty. First, rotate and cut around the middle. Then, hold each side and twist up and down. The seed and flesh separate perfectly. Use a spoon to eat conveniently. 3. Cut the watermelon in half. Cut horizontally a few times. Cut vertically a few times. It's very convenient to eat directly. Now my mom won't worry about me getting watermelon juice all over my face. 4. Cut off the top and bottom of the pineapple. Then cut it in half. Cut horizontally along the grain. Then cut vertically. Cutting it this way at home is clean and hygienic. 5. Cut off both ends of the orange. Cut halfway through. Then cut horizontally. Cut it into slices. This way you'll get perfect segments. 6. Score the top of the pomegranate a few times. Remove the cap. Then follow the white lines. Gently cut along the white lines on the pomegranate skin. Open it half by half. Cutting the pomegranate this way. Looks like a flower. Eat it segment by segment. 7. Cut the ends of the grapefruit. Remove the peel. Cut it in the middle. Make a small cut. Peel off the membrane. It will come off easily. Get a plate of fruit easily. Follow me for more tips. There are clever uses for unfinished Coke. Learning this can save you a house. 1. Spray vinegar and Coke on glass. The glass will be clean and bright. 2. Coke with laundry detergent. Eliminates mold and black stains. 3. Coke with dish soap. Shake evenly, spray on kitchen grease, wipe gently, and it's immediately clean. 4. Coke with laundry powder. Shake evenly, spray on toilet stains. Odors and stains disappear immediately. 5. What to do with pots that often rust and stick. Don't throw them out yet. First, heat the pot. Add a few drops of dish soap. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Add 2 spoons of baking soda. Let them react violently. Then pour in half a bottle of Coke. Heat it up. Gently shake. After cleaning, it can be used like mine from 1982 to now. Non-stick and rust-free. 6. If the bottom of the pot is burnt, don't rush to throw it away. Add salt, baking soda, white vinegar, half a bottle of Coke, and water to the pot. Boil the water. Let it sit for a few minutes. Gently shake a few times and it will be as good as new. Have you learned it? Who knew salt could be so powerful? Stains on clothes disappear before it. 1. How to deal with yellowing white clothes worn all summer. Squeeze free toothpaste into a basin. Laundry detergent, salt, white vinegar. Add warm water and stir well. Soak for 5 minutes and start washing. The clothes will be clean. You'll have a new shirt again. 2. Clothes with oil stains. Salt plus dish soap. Rub and they will be clean like new. 3. Shirt collars yellow and look terrible. Add salt, laundry detergent, white wine, and white vinegar to warm water. Stir well. Rub the collar in the water for 1 minute. It will be clean like new. 4. Clothes fading too much. Salt plus beer restores them like new. 5. Mixing clothes. Salt plus white vinegar prevents color transfer. 6. Clothes get moldy from humidity. Squeeze toothpaste into a basin. Add laundry detergent, salt, and white vinegar. Dilute with warm water and stir well. Soak for 5 minutes and wash again. The clothes will be bright and white again. 7. Add fragrant body wash to the sink, whitening toothpaste, mosquito-repellent flour water, cooking salt, antibacterial white vinegar. Let them dissolve completely. Put the moldy white clothes in and gently rub. The clothes will be bright and white again. 8. Clothes dyed too seriously. Add toothpaste, salt, and laundry detergent to water. Soak for half an hour. Gently rub. The dyed clothes will restore their original color. If you haven't learned, save this and learn slowly. Attention to those with towels and pillows at home. Don't miss these small tips. 1. What to do if your husband's towel turns yellow and has an odor. Squeeze in toothpaste. Add a small spoonful of salt, a capful of laundry detergent, then pour in hot water and stir well. Soak for 20 minutes. All the dirt will come out. Gently scrub. The towel will be as clean as new. 2. Don't throw away pillowcases that have turned yellow from long use. Put the pillowcase in a basin. Sprinkle with salt. Pour in white vinegar and laundry detergent. Add warm water around 50 degrees Celsius. Soak for 15 minutes. Gently scrub. All the dirt will come out. The pillowcase will be clean, just like new. 3. What to do if bed sheets or clothes are stained with blood. First, wet with cold water. Squeeze on toothpaste and laundry detergent. Pour on white vinegar. Scrub for about a minute. You will see the blood stain easily removed. The result is excellent. 4. Don't rush to throw away yellowed, smelly pillow cores. Don't throw them away yet. Add white vinegar, salt, laundry detergent, and floral water to the sink. Soak the yellowed pillow in the mixture for half an hour. Then scrub with a brush. The pillow will be as good as new. 5. Mattresses turn yellow over time. Add salt, baking soda, and white vinegar to the water. Soak a sponge brush in the mixture. Scrub the yellow stains. Easily remove the stains. Save this video. You will always find it useful. Life hacks I've only just learned after 500 years. Don't miss out, especially the last one. 1. Put transparent tape on your broom. This way, hair and dust on the floor will stick to the tape. After sweeping, just peel off the tape. Perfect. 2. Don't buy dish soap when it runs out. Mix a bowl of purified water, a spoonful of alcohol, a spoonful of white vinegar, and a spoonful of baking soda. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and you have your dish soap. 3. To restore a loose rubber band, soak it in hot water. 4. It's hard to remove eggshells from egg whites. Dip your finger in water and touch the eggshell. The eggshell will come out easily. 5. Here's a trick for you. Use this method for tying things. It's easy to tie and untie. Just pull the string and it will untie in a second. 6. Don't use a needle to remove a splinter. It can cause more damage. Put a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of white vinegar in a cup. Add 50-degree warm water. Soak your hand for 3 minutes. The splinter will come out if it's in your palm. Soak your palm for 5 minutes. 7. Here's how to identify gutter oil. Put half a garlic clove in the oil to test it. Pour in the cooking oil. Add half a garlic clove. Let it sit for 5 minutes. If the garlic turns green, it's gutter oil. Did you learn it? This isn't magic. These are the amazing uses of baking soda. 1. The drain at home is clogged. Pour in dish soap, baking soda, and white vinegar. It instantly dissolves debris, cleans grease and grime from the pipe walls. Say goodbye to clogs. 2. A mixture of table salt, baking soda, and white vinegar can effectively remove stains from the bottom of pots. 3. Mix toothpaste, baking soda, dish soap, and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray it on the stovetop. This way, the kitchen will be clean and hygienic. 4. Pour boiling water. Add some table salt to scrub the surface grime. Baking soda cleans deeper grime. White vinegar disinfects and sterilizes. Then gently scrub with a clean hand. Finally, pour in hot water. This will make the cutting board as good as new. 5. Add baking soda to water. Easily mop kitchen grease. 6. If the bathroom drain smells or has bugs, add baking soda and a spoonful of salt. Add 60 degrees Celsius warm water. Do this once a week. If it doesn't work, come find me. 7. Pour 100 ml of white vinegar on a towel. Throw it in the washing machine. Start the spin cycle. Then add laundry detergent and baking soda. Add half a tub of water. Then start the wash cycle. This will clean every part of the washing machine. Look, all the dirt is out. Follow me to learn more tips.